Manglam, thanks for having me on show. And if I just have to look at a day trading profile today based on market profile and order flow analysis, Nifty is definitely taking rest because last 3 days, if we successfully see the Nifty movement, yesterday there was a range of about 85 to 90 points on Nifty future. Day before it was about 180 points and before that it was about 120 points. So having run a marathon for last 3 days, today market is definitely consolidating and waiting for clues from Reliance. And to specifically talk on Nifty levels, today a sharp move on the downside can definitely happen below 8,547 and we can see lows of 8,524. And on the upside, if you see, market profile says you have a point of control at 8,605. Until we break 8,605, there is no chance of market moving up for the day. And on the lower side, we can see 8524 and 8480 acts as a very strong support for the whole series. So for the coming expiry next Thursday, we should definitely see market trying to close somewhere around 8,500 on the lower side. We have also seen a lot of put writing which has happened at 8,500 and you can see an build-up of open interest also happening at 8,500 levels, and that's close to 55 lakh contracts. And on the upside, 8,700 call also has seen a lot of writing. So we should see this range of 85 to 87 to hold on because of the call and put writing respectively. And on the Bank Nifty, compared to Nifty, definitely Bank Nifty is more weaker, and unless Bank Nifty crosses decisively 19,200 levels, for this series expiry can be seen somewhere close to 18,500, and also a lot of put writing has happened at 18,500, which should act as a strong support.
By the way, some news on Lupin, so that stock should come up on your screen. I think it's extended its decline on the back of this. The company says that they have guided for a sales growth of 15 to 16% in FY16, but they may fall short of this guidance owing to ANDA approval delays, though they're pretty confident about a 20% plus sales growth in F516. So as you can see, the stock is reacting negatively. I think it's reacting to the statement where they say that they may fall short of their 15 to 16% F516 guidance owing to ANDA approval delays. On the Goa side, they're saying that these are all valid observations from US FDA. They're addressing them. They don't expect it to escalate. They're working on it. And there is no stoppage of supplies as of now from the Goa side. But keep your eye out on the flash screen. We will be giving you all the updates that came out of the Lupin conference call. But hi, Mr. Rudramurthy, and thanks for joining in. You're going to give us 3 recommendations of mid-caps, which have already done so well. So something like a Force Motors has seen a rally of 400% plus in the last 1 year. What could be the potential upside from current levels?
See, looking at Force Motor specifically, it is having its business in a niche area, and also recently there is also an approval which they have got along with a plant which they are coming up with Chennai exclusively for the production activities which they want to do. And even if you see their PE multiple, a forward trailing PE multiple and a forward PE multiple is so attractive. When I compare it with its peers, it's just hardly trading at 20 to 25 PE multiple, and someone who has a time frame of 2 to 3 years can definitely look into buying Force Motor. And a company which has a return of equity close to 20-25%, a return of investment close to 40%, a profit growth of about 40% makes it a wonderful buy on valuations. And definitely it's a stock which can further move up from current level, and it's good to bet on the winning horses than on something which is not doing good.
All right, definitely. And another of your recommendations is Shilpa Medicare. What kind of upside do you see on that one?
See, Shilpa Medicare for last 10 years, it has given a compounded annual growth rate. If you see the CAGR on sales, a 40% CAGR compounded for a long period of 10 years, a profitability also a CAGR of about 35%, an excellent ROI and ROE crossing 30 to 35%, and still available at a trailing PE multiple of around 30-35 times. And for a forward-looking earnings, it's just trading at 25 PE multiple, makes it a very attractive buy. And recently, 2 of its Raichur plant has also seen an US FDA visit, and they're awaiting for an approval. And I definitely believe 2016 end onwards, they should at least keep up with this US sale, and that should give a wonderful top line and bottom line for both onto the Shilpa Medicare. And I expect even this stock at least to double from current levels for a 2 to 3 year perspective.
All right, unfortunately, we've run out of time. We'll speak some other day. Thanks so much for joining.